Schools were closed.
Businesses were closed.
Unemployment was up here.
What if the unthinkable happened? Imagine the world's economic powerhouse facing the brink of bankruptcy. Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, can they be fixed? What tax burden can the economy bear and still thrive? And most importantly, what can you do about it? Mitchell and Rubin provide tried and true solutions that every concerned citizen needs to hear. In the greatest Ponzi scheme on earth, they unravel the gripping narrative of fiscal challenges, exploring real-world examples from home and abroad. These questions aren't just for policymakers, they're for every American. They are the beating heart of economic odyssey, lessons from crisis. Join us on a compelling journey through economics history and the harsh reality of our fiscal landscape. This isn't just a book, it's a crash course in understanding the threads that weave our economic tapestry. Are you ready to navigate the economic challenges of today and tomorrow? Knowledge is power. Grab your copy now, because understanding our economic landscape is the first step to shaping a resilient future. Main Street Economics. Learn economics, be informed.